stuck in addiction and regret doing that? Or do you want to achieve something great in your life but it seems so hard to do it and couldn't find a path which you can follow? So this video is for you, and today I will guide you to achieve your dreams and build a strong base for your future. So let's get started. So take out your journal. If don't, make one physical or digital and ask yourself what all things that are holding you back, and write it as long as you can, because it will be the change maker of your life and give that pain a shape. And congratulate yourself because you have taken a step to your success. And now it's time for application, and when I say now, it means today. So today we will start with a little challenge, and the challenge would be that you would staying without your phone for 30 minutes. And when I say staying without your phone 30 minutes, don't occupy yourself with other activities. Rather, keep yourself with emptiness. Do nothing. Just stay home. Do no task. You can walk and do other normal human activities. And another thing you need to do is one task in specific aspects of your life, which are physical, mental, and personal growth. In physical, you can do workout, running, or walk in the parks. In mental, you can meditate, deep breathe, or also walk in the parks. And in personal growth, you can learn a skill, do your hobby, or talk with people while walking in the parks. But remember, you will one day fall for this trap. Why I am doing this? I can't even get a single result. But remember, as James Clear shows us the value of disappointment in his book Atomic Habits. In this valley of disappointment, you will feel you are doing no progress, but once you pass this stage, your growth will be exponential higher. And on this note, I will say a quote from a great person: we can't connect dots looking forward, we just can connect dots by looking backward. And you guess who it is who said this quote? And on this note, just be consistent on yourself, journal your journey, that you will get inspired from yourself. Challenge yourself.